Is your car feeling tired, dusty, or just not as fresh as it used to be? Experience the ultimate refresh with our interior steam deep clean service. We use advanced steam cleaning technology to reach every corner, nook and crevice of your vehicle's interior. From carpets to seats, dashboards to door panels, we lift dirt, grime, and stubborn stains without damaging delicate surfaces. Not only do we remove visible dirt, but we also eliminate odors, leaving your car smelling fresh and inviting. Our deep clean process ensures that every surface is sanitized, making your driving experience healthier and more comfortable. Give your car the care it deserves and enjoy that brand new feeling every time you step inside. Book your interior steam deep clean today and drive in a space that's spotless, fresh, and truly revitalized. Is your car dusty or tired? Refresh every corner with our interior steam deep clean. Remove dirt, eliminate odors, and make your car feel like new.